Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming July 6th trading week in the binary options market. The economic calendar, of course, the very first thing and the most important thing probably this week is going to be the Greece referendum on whether or not they want to pay the bills, so to speak. That, of course, will rock the markets back and forth. And really at this point in time, though, it looks like people are starting to pick up European assets, including the currency, on the cheap based upon value. So really at this point in time, we feel that any knee-jerk reaction to the downside should see the smart money at least sitting on the sidelines, letting things calm down and picking up stocks and euros on the cheap. This is especially true if the euro dollar can remain above the 1.10 level. As we go through the rest of the day, and Monday we have ISM non-manufacturing probably will move U.S. stocks. Not much beyond that. We have the RBA out of Australia doing an interest rate decision. Not much expected out of that, but pay attention to the statement. There's a lot of concerns out there about the world economy that, of course, could be very negative for stocks in general. As we go on later to Tuesday, we have NYSER GDP estimate out of the United States. That, of course, will move the stock markets as you can see the market does expect high volatility based upon that. And then into Wednesday we have crude oil. That of course is a inventory stocks change, if you will. That of course is a crude oil market moving event. We have the FOMC minutes on the 8th as well. That of course will move dollar interest rate increase expectations. So look at that as a very dollar-centric type of movement. And then as we go through the rest of the week, we have initial jobless claims, continuing jobless claims. We do have an interest rate decision out of the United Kingdom. Don't expect anything out of that, but watch for any type of statement. And then as we drift into the weekend, really not a whole lot going on out there. You can see that the S&P 500 had a slightly negative week, but in the big scheme of things, this is about as nice of an uptrend as you can get. So we are call buyers on signs of support. We'll have to see how things play out on Monday. Probably won't really mess with the S&P 500 till Tuesday, but when you look at the longer term charts, you can really see that we are most certainly in an uptrend. You can see that the euro tried to rally and then gave back quite a bit of the gains and then bounced again. And the fact that we formed a shooting star on the weekly chart tells us that 110 is important. So as long as we can stay over there, we're comfortable buying the euro via calls. If we break down, we wouldn't necessarily be wanting to buy puts right away, but below 108, things get ugly. And the gold markets continue to find support right around the 1160 area. Because of this, we think a bounce is coming. Wouldn't be too surprised to see 1200 soon. So we are buyers of short-term calls. Really, we're not looking for the world here. We're just looking for a couple points here and there. And with that, we've taken a look at the upcoming July 6th trading week in the binary options market.